Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about 1 over cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So if I put this one go inside the square root, we have cosine x to the power of 4. We simplify this one and we have sine x over cosine x. This one we change secant of x squared, and this one we change by tan x. Next, we need to put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of tan x. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u. First derivative of tan x, we have secant of x squared dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by 2u du. So u divided by u, we have number 2. The integration of du, we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.